Hello. One of the questions we received recently was from a long-time customer who was unsure on how to manage the location drop-down list available in EzStamp. That's this list down here. This video will apply to all drop-down lists in EzStamp, whether they're cross-reference, category, or any of the other ones that are available. You can maintain all of them from the utility menu in EzStamp. Go to List Editors and you'll see the ones. They all have the same look and functionality, but today I will work with the location list. You can see that the location list is already populated with what I've done so far. Each country can have its own lists, and you can import and export them between countries to save time. I like to use one for each country as my collections are housed in different albums types and different colors. For my Suriname collection, I have 5 different albums that I have used. But after a while, some of the locations are no longer needed or used. Sometimes I sell an album or a stamp, so the location is really not needed. It can be tedious to maintain them manually though. An easy way to refresh lists with only locations that are presently used is to clear the list and then refresh them from the data in the current country file. This will ensure the list is accurate. I'll show you how we do this. For now, I'm going to do a search to see what is in our database, what locations are used. So I'm going to find any stamp with a main location. The main location is this one here. So we'll do a find and show. So as you can see, I've used album red 1 and album red 2. But if you look in the drop-down list, there's other albums there. So let's head over to the utility menu, list editors, location, and you can see that there are 5 different locations, but only 2 of them, as we saw in the report, are being used. So what I'll do now is I'm going to clear the list by clicking on this icon, and then click this icon to refresh it from what is currently in the database. So you see that there's only one album red and album 2. And then I'm going to save that. And now when we go to the location field, you'll see that those are the only 2. And then you can obviously add new ones as you go along. This is also an important feature for new customers where we have converted data from other programs that use a location field. In this situation, the location drop-down will be empty until you refresh it from the country file itself. I can demonstrate this with a USA file that we recently converted for a customer. Here's the file and data as we imported it. So I'll go over to USA. So as you can see, the location here field is empty in this database, but I know that there are lots of locations that are in the database. So what we have to do is we'll go to the utility menu, list editors, location, and then we're going to rebuild it from the country file itself. And you can see there's a bunch. Now we'll save it. And then when you go back to the drop-down list, you'll see that it's available for use. We will be creating more videos to show you all the features available in EzStamp. And if you have any special requests, just drop us a line and we'll try and create them as fast as possible. All right, enjoy.